Hey guys, today I've got the Kia Stinger on the hoist. I've got a catback offering from MBRP. Let's go. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got the 2018 Kia Stinger on the hoist. I've got a catback from MBRP I want to show you, but first, like always, let's check out the factory setup. So, this is pretty straightforward. I mean, you've got your front pipe up here, it's got the factory X, it's got factory resonators, a bunch of shielding. We get back here to the muffler systems. I'm gonna jump to the back. And we got a nice quad setup from the factory, so that's pretty cool for the Kia. But I wanna show you something here. First off, we've got really small diameter piping here, and the factory has really crimped this up to impede the exhaust flow. So that's the factory. Let's get underneath here, see what MBRP has to offer. So guys, as I always mention, MBRP is a fully compliant company, so that means we've left the downpipes in place, and of course, we've left the factory catalytic converters in place. You're gonna see MBRP picks it up right here at the flanges. We're gonna come back into our stamped X. We're gonna come back into mandrel bent 2.5 dual exhaust, factory hanger locations, of course, band clamps everywhere. Now this is where it gets really fun. This vehicle has no drone. It has a really cool mellow exhaust note, and this is why. See this right here? Helmholtz technology. Not only do we have our single in dual out muffler fully stamped, this muffler is tough as nails, but add the Helmholtz technology in there and you get such a sweet exhaust note. This Kia is all ready to go. Let's get it down the ground. We're gonna take it for a rip. All right, we've got the Stinger ready to go. Let's pull out in the highway, see what it sounds like. As I always do in these videos, nice easy acceleration. We'll just listen to the car going through the gears, the exhaust note. While we're doing that, I want to mention as well that this car does have a cold air intake on it, so it's not going to change the exhaust note by any means, but when we do put our foot into it, you're going to hear a really cool induction sound. Sounds so good, but just in addition to the exhaust note. Now speaking about exhaust note, we've come up through the gears here. We're at interstate speeds, 75, 76 miles an hour. Deep low note, it's way at the back of this car. It's not impeding inside the car by any means. I mentioned it earlier that we don't really have a drone in this car. I think you get the best of both worlds. You can put your foot into it, drive hard, and listen to a cool sound, or you can just cruise with the family, friends, have conversation, and do the long haul in this car and never have the exhaust system be obnoxious or intrusive. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put us over into sport. Gonna give it a little bit of a downshift there, and then I'm going to let the car have it at wide open throttle. Let you guys give it a quick listen. See what you think. I'll shut it down there. You know, we've got a big family sedan here. It's got some good looks. It's got great sound now with the MBRP. You know, you can turn heads, you can cruise quietly. You can have the best of both worlds, as I mentioned earlier. Basically, ease of installation, keep the quad tips from the factory, and all that performance from MBRP. You want to go check out part number 4704, and you're going to do that at mbrp.com.